What's going on, y'all? So yes, I haven't hula hooped in forever. Literally just started doing it again, but it is something that really helps your abs and your legs. Okay, so we're gonna strengthen our core. And honestly, if you do even 10 minutes a day of this, 5 minutes, you will see that it'll snap you into shape. Okay, that's a way that you can kind of maintain everything while keeping the abs flat or flatter. So what you want to do, you're gonna go left, right? The easiest way I would say to begin this is to keep this leg forward and this one back. I am a little rusty because I haven't done it in years. So what we're gonna do is to the left. And you wanna move your body back and forth, keeping your hands up here. And literally that is it. 5 to 10 minutes a day, and you will see that you can snatch your waist. Especially if you've eaten a lot, y'all. Okay, or every 3 hours, which is what you want to do to gain or maintain weight. And if you feel that it starts to fall, you can just go a little bit faster. Swing your hips a little bit. Oh, 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 oh. Still got it, still got it. Hey. You understand that this really is a workout? Like, I feel it in my stomach. Okay. Run a little bit without dropping it. Right in my stomach. And that is the gist of how to hula hoop. Now let's get to what I eat in a day. Okay, so we are now in my favorite place, the kitchen. Most of you already know that. And this is typically what I eat in a day. You want to eat every 3 hours. It's not a game, and not just empty calories, things of substance. You want to have about 2 to 3 shakes a day. So we're going to talk about it. Leg up. In the shake, I put oatmeal. I love this because they're individually packaged, and I'll just toss those in there, right? Bananas, Greek yogurt, but sometimes I do the peanut butter instead of the Greek yogurt. Unsweetened almond milk, but you can put whatever milk of your choice. Dates, and then sometimes I just have a bowl of cereal. Honey Bunch of Oats is like my favorite cereal in the world. This is the best turkey bacon you will ever have, and the most affordable that I have found. Literally the best. You can get this for $3 from Walmart. You guys, I'm putting you on. It is absolutely amazing. Then I have some catfish here, fries. These are leftovers, but I'm gonna get into them today. Some shrimp, really, really good. Dynamite shrimp and rice. Of course, we have the eggs I forgot also, which I snack on sometimes throughout the day, but also eat for breakfast. Croissants, snacked on them throughout the day as well. Blueberries, I add them to my oatmeal, snack on them. And then for dinner, I have this wonderful salad with balsamic vinaigrette dressing. I have spaghetti, ground beef, well seasoned, lit, okay? And, of course, the pasta itself. So that is what I eat in a day. And to my shakes, you already know I add maca root extract. Get it how you live vitality. Add 30 drops per day to your juice, your water, milk, or smoothie. Just gives you an energy boost. Good for so many things, as I talk about in my videos. Amazing. All right. And you can get the 2-bottle bundle via my website, modestylavishstore.com. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and I will most definitely be back with more. Thanks for tuning in once again, and I'll holla! Congrats to the giveaway winners, LVNI, I believe it's Lavinny Livin, and Isabel Turtle. You guys both get the maca extract. And for the giveaway that ended last night, midnight, the original giveaway, you will get a face mask, the maca extract, nail strip drip, and eyeliner. Alright? But again, y'all, stay tuned because you never know what I have up my sleeve. I really do appreciate all of y'all that support me. And you don't know what else is coming. Okay, we got the holidays upon us. So thanks y'all for tuning in. Holla.